Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error 1053. The service did not respond to the start or control request. So guys, to resolve this problem, follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start, type regedit, open registry editor. Now here guys, firstly you backup your registry editor. Very simple, click on file and export and save. Select all and find out your location and save. And once you need, so you can import your registry editor. Now let's start to resolve this problem. So firstly, expand HK local machine, then expand system. Now expand current control set. Now double click on control. Now right click anyway, new, and select debug 32. Now type services pipe timeout. So type services pipe timeout and double click on it. Now here validator and 18,000 1 at 000. Then click on OK. Now guys, close this registry editor and click on start. Now type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type here this command sfc space slash scan now. So type this command line sfc space scan now, then press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so wait till this procedure will be complete. Now guys, once this complete, you have to type the second command line dism space slash online space slash cleanup minus an image space slash restore health So type this command line dism space slash online space slash cleanup minus an image space slash restore health, then press enter. Now guys, wait, this will take a couple of minutes. So once guys you complete successfully, close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, hopefully guys you can fix and resolve error 1053. The service did not respond to the start or control request. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method worked for you or not.